30 minutes drive. So, dito ka dark. Dark kaayo. Yan. Umaga na dito, but it's very dark. Kaya, in fall, looks like this. It's raining in the overnight and early in the morning. And in the afternoon, it's cloudy. So, we are October month. So, almost 6 o'clock, but it's very dark. So, ayan mga alora ko. Sometimes in this road here, mayroong mga deer, mga bambi, mga baby na deer dito sa road na ito. So they come out before the sun shines out. So naghanap ng pagkain ang mga deer. So right now we are approaching an highway. Highway 301. Tingnan mo, it's almost 6 o'clock, but it's very dark. I supposed to leave early today from home kasi dalawang staff ko may sakit, so hindi sila papasok ngayon. But na-late na naman ako. Well, I'm not really late. My hours of my time is 6:30 to be in. So, malaking truck. So, amulan.
God is still changing lives. And at WGTS 91.9, He does it through people like you.
Listening to your station
God is changing
so much
lives.
hope whenever I'm feeling
Hope,
like
we have hope.
But it's fine. Like I'm here, I'm breathing.
We seek the Lord.
Give now at WGTS919.com.
Through the WGTS app.
Or by calling 800-700-1094.
The last person to give us money was Bethany from Warren, Virginia. It's Terry Summerclad. It's got here on WGTS 91.9. So she loves the station. Has been listening for a long time. And is a regular giver because the station is so encouraging and uplifting. Thank you, Bethany. We truly appreciate you. Can I ask you, if you're someone who's been listening for a long time but never giving, would you cross that line to go from being a listener, we're so glad that you're listening, to being an investor and investing in other people's lives? Would you see the difference maybe that's made in you? And you'd like God to do that for others through this ministry? Why would you invite you to this side? It's warm here on the deep end. And there are good things that are happening here. You can be a part of it. 800-700-1094 WGTS919.com.
And you know, as you get involved, you listen different. I don't know if you've ever been to a concert. Like, you liked the artists and their songs on the radio, but as soon as you see them live, you hear those songs different. You have a different connection with that artist. It's the same thing when you get to WGTS. You turn on the radio, Jerry and Summer hanging out with you in the morning, Johnny and Stacey in the afternoons, Elevation Worship plays, but it hits a little different because this is your station now. You have ownership in it. And what a beautiful way to model that kind of ownership and generosity for your kids. And so maybe as you get the day started and you wake them up for school, you can be like, guess what, guys? This is our station. 800-700-1094.